In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Cash App QR code. So Cash App is a full service banking and investing app. You have a cash balance, savings, Bitcoin, stocks, paychecks, taxes, pretty much anything you can think of that a bank or investing app would do, you can do here on Cash App. There's also a card where you can spend your balance and peer-to-peer payments. So this is what we're looking for in this video. People want to know how to find their QR code so some other person can scan it and send them money. So there's going to be two ways you can do this. You can do it from the main payment screen here, or you can do it from any of these other screens really. Let's start with the main payment screen here. You can tap the icon in the top left corner, and that's going to bring you to the scanner screen. But then we just want to tap My Code at the bottom of the screen. So this is going to open up your code, and then other people can scan your code to pay you. So they scan it through this little scanner right here, and it just takes them through a quick process where they pay you. Let me close that out. So the other way that you can do this from pretty much any screen in the app is tap the icon in the top right corner. And this is going to kind of open up your profile and your settings. And then towards the top left of the screen, you're going to see a little icon with 3 squares and then some smaller squares. Go ahead and tap on that. And that's going to open up your code as well. You can also hop to the scanner on the bottom here from this screen as well, if you accidentally get here the wrong way. But yeah, that's the two ways to open up your QR code on Cash App. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Also be sure to check out the other Cash App tutorials on my channel. There's hundreds of videos if you want to learn more about this. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.